50 farm animals names vocabulary in English. Cow,
cow, cow,
bull,
bull, bull,
calf,
calf, calf,
ox,
ox, ox,
sheep,
sheep, sheep,
lamb,
lamb, lamb,
goat,
goat, goat,
horse,
horse, horse,
mare,
mare, mare,
stallion,
stallion, stallion,
foal,
foal, foal,
hen,
hen, hen,
rooster,
rooster, rooster,
chick,
chick, chick,
duck,
duck, duck,
duckling,
duckling, duckling,
goose,
goose, goose,
gosling,
gosling, gosling,
turkey,
turkey, turkey,
donkey,
donkey, donkey,
mule,
mule, mule,
rabbit,
rabbit, rabbit,
bunny,
bunny, bunny,
bee,
bee, bee,
dog,
dog, dog,
shepherd dog,
shepherd dog, shepherd dog,
cat,
cat, cat,
llama,
llama, llama,
alpaca,
alpaca, alpaca,
emu,
emu, emu,
buffalo,
buffalo, buffalo,
yak,
yak, yak,
quail,
quail, quail,
pigeon,
pigeon, pigeon,
guinea fowl,
guinea fowl, guinea fowl,
peacock,
peacock, peacock,
thin,
peahen, peahen,
cockerel,
cockerel, cockerel,
broiler,
broiler, broiler,
ram,
ram, ram,
ewe,
ewe, ewe,
dromedary,
dromedary, dromedary,
camel,
camel, camel,
water buffalo,
water buffalo, water buffalo,
reindeer,
reindeer, reindeer,
ferret,
ferret, ferret,
pheasant,
pheasant, pheasant.
geese,
Geese, geese.
silky,
Silky, silky.
red jungle fowl,
Red jungle fowl, red jungle fowl. Please subscribe to our channel to create a more quality educational channel. Thanks.